So kuna one of the biggest scandals happened recently in Kenya na ina involve Narok County. So Narok County kama ujui ndio almost like the county ambayo ina contain the Masai Mara. So the Masai Mara unajua ni a major draw for tourists all over the world. Na kulingana one of the things ambayo inaletanga the most people to this part of the world ni hiyo the crossing of the wildebeest zikicross the Mara hiyo river. So the reason why Narok iko in such scandal sahi ni that sahi wamepitisha wameallow a bunch of very big chains za mahoteli kujenga very close to the river ambayo sasa inapata like hata to some extent ina block the route ambayo hizo wildebeest zinatumianga ku cross over from side ya Masai Mara to Serengeti kwenda ile side nyingine ya Tanzania. So hii kitu ime cause quite an uproar na ika generate a lot of people ambao ni outrage all over the internet. So I think for the most part watu wengi wameenda ile route ya ku call out this major chains za mahoteli, na some of them ni kama hiyo Marriott, the Ritz-Carlton nini. But for me nataka to take a completely opposite approach. So ukiangalia ndio hiyo approval ya kupata kuweza kujenga that close, especially that close to the river, ni kuna so many approvals ambazo lazima go through. You can't just be anyone uamke tu ati umeenda kujenga in such a place, and I'm sure ndio waweze kujenga hapo wamecommit maybe millions. So some of the government entities lazima go through, mind you, ndio uweze kujaribu kujenga hiyo in such a place which is very prime. Ni that lazima involve Narok County government. Alafu ukimaliza the Narok County kuna so many layers, then haya uende the NEMA. I'm sure to some extent NEMA lazima ikuwe involved juu ya kitu inaitangwa the environmental IEA license, environmental and social impact assessment. Then ukimaliza hapo uende to KWS. Juu KWS pia to some extent lazima wakuwe wanapeana approval. Then obviously kuna Lands Commission ambayo like lazima wakupatie either title ama go ahead own that piece of land. To some extent lazima pia involved Ministry of Tourism and Wildlife. Sasa and then kuna because it's so close to a river, unaona like there are laws actually governing Kenya how close you can be to a river. Na ukiona some of these pictures, those hotels look quite close to the river. So lazima wapate approval to some extent from some kind of water resource authority za huku pia. So you can imagine hizo ni already almost like 7 government entities, and all these government entities they had to approve, na yet walipeana go ahead for something that to most Kenyans inakaa so stupid. This is such a stupid move to make. So hata tukicall out all these hotel chains, wacha tukwenda more fire for wale watu wote ambao wali go into approving all these things ambazo to everyone's understanding inakaa it's not even in our best interest. So hao ndio wale watu I think for me niko na more vitriol ama more anger towards than necessarily the chains, hizi hotel chains ambazo wamekuja kujenga all those hotels.